Oh my goodness. How'd that happen? Look at that cute face. And I think she got worn out today. We had an understanding and we had to have a chat. So there's that. Oh my goodness. That tongue is ridiculous. It's like Guinness Book of World Records. Okay. So everything you did today was perfect. You were a good girl and you learned. That's all I care about is learning. Let's go forward. We use our words. Yeah, that's what... Oh my God, look at that mouth. What the heck is going on with that? That's a little scary. Okay, Katie, we think your mouth looks lovely. So, we didn't really say that. We didn't say it. I am sure of it. So, oh yeah, you're adorable and everybody thinks your mouth looks good. Yeah, oh my God, look at that mouth. Okay, thank you. And we love you. We're checking out.